How to download any video on Google Chrome. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily download any video on Google Chrome. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. First thing first, open up your Google Chrome. You'll have to download an extension. So for that, tap on the three dots and then extension. Click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Now here you're going to search for Video Downloader Professional. This is the extension that you want to add. So click on it and then add to Chrome. I've already added this to Chrome, so I'm not going to add it again. Now once you do that, you can open up your extension and find the extension right here. You can pin it for easy users. So let me just open up this free stock video website. And I'm just going to open this one right here. So here are all of the free videos. So what you're going to do now is open any of these websites where you want to download videos from, and then click on this downloader option, and it will show you all of these options. So here, this one is ready for download. So select the video to download. And once you click on it, you're just going to have to select where you want to save the video and then rename the video. Then just click on save and then you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.